Hello, welcome to Analog Techie. Today in this video, MATLAB for beginners to expert, we will see the commands like figure, plot and legend. Whenever any graphical representation is to be done, it has to be done with figure, plot and legend. If we use figure command, it will plot the various plots separately in a different template or different pop-up. Similarly, plot command is used to plot the various datas, and legend command is used to identify the multiple signals plotted in a single plot with the help of different representation. First of all, let's see what is legend. So legend means the direction of the graph. If we see here, suppose we have a blue line signal and a red line signal. Red line and blue line signal has to be differentiated, and this differentiation is done by marking a legend on a graph. So this is the legend, sin x and cos x. Red line represent sin x and blue line represent cos x. So similarly, how do we mark a legend? So let's see, this is the direction shown here is north, east, south and west. So whenever in the MATLAB, this is north and south is the reference point and this direction is represented. If we want to mark the legend at point on the graph is here, it means currently it is marked as here, then we write it at northeast. Similarly, if we want to mark the position on the graph is here, we use it southeast. Similarly, if we want to mark it here and here or in the middle direction or this direction, we mark it according to this direction, and this mark is given by the command. So let's see in the code. Suppose I want to plot a sinusoidal wave and a cosine wave, just similar. This is the similar wave I want to plot with these legends sin x and cos x. So let's see, these are the points separated by O. So here in the program code, I'll take a value x which ranges from minus pi to pi with in between values is 20. So this represents minus pi, the code is represented by pi, and till pi with a difference of pi by 20, means it will give almost 20 values in between minus pi to pi. Next we want to plot sinusoidal wave, so we have used y1 equals to sin x, and for cosine wave y2 equals to cos x. Now we want to pop up the window for a separate figure, so I have used a figure command. If I will not use, then also it will work, but if we have many figures and we want to separately view in a separate pop-up or a separate window, so we use a figure command. So next is plot. We have to plot a sinusoidal wave and cosine wave. We have used a multiple plots here, like x with y1 and x with y2, means x axis is same and y1 and y2 is sine wave and cosine wave. So to differentiate the sine wave and cosine wave with different colors and different markings, I have used here the dash. Dash represents line for which we want to plot this wave, and R represents for red color line, and O represents point mark with O, means the values, this is the 20 values in between, this is marked by value O. And similarly here in the second plot, it will mark the graph with dash and dot with blue color. So this represent a blue color, B represent blue color, here R represent O color. Now for legend, by default, let's see what it will take the legend. Currently it is shown in the comment section, but in the program we will check it. Now similarly for the location of legend where you want to give the sin x or cosine x, just mark the value sin x and cosine x, just location, and where you want to put this legend. So currently it is given northeast, you can give northwest or southwest depending upon which position you want the legend. So let's switch to the MATLAB window and plot it and see how it look like. So here is the MATLAB window. And same command I have copied it, like x, y1, y2 figure and plot, the same command. The legend currently I have taken as southeast direction. So let's see southeast direction. It means legend has to be come in the southeast direction. So if I run this code, it will give in the southeast direction legend. This dot is represented by sin x and dash line represented by cosine x. So you can plot it as per your requirement. Let's see once again by default without giving the legend location. So for that I just want to comment this section so that it will not read, and just open this by default legend. We haven't provided any direction to this legend. So for this command, let's see, default direction for legend is northeast direction. So similarly, you can put it on the east direction, north direction, south or west, depending upon your graphical values or where you want to show the legend to the graph. Here I just wanted to explain one thing, figure 1 and figure 2. We can see here there is figure 1 and this is figure 2. It means whenever I run the MATLAB command, it will pop up into a separate window. So if I run it again, it will pop up another window marking figure 3. So every time if you want to compare the previous waveforms or previous graph, we use a figure command. Otherwise, if we remove it also from the code and then run, it will also give the plot on the last palette, that is figure 3. Suppose I want to remove all the figures and then run, then it will also run by giving figure 1. Again if I run, it will not give figure 2 but it will override this. So let's check it by just commenting another one and just run it. Here we can see no separate window has popped up. Just change the position, it means it has given only figure 1.